The two-day buyer-seller meets cum self-help groups Mela held at Ladthadlaboh Playground, West Jaintia Hills concluded on Friday. Local MLA White Ladthadlaboh inaugurated the Mela on Thursday in the presence of DRDA Project Director F.B. Basan, who is also the ADC of West Jaintia Hills District. Speaking during the inaugural function, local MLA White Ladthadlaboh emphasized the need of shifting from consumer stage to actively engage in local cultivation, livestock rearing and skill development, recognizing the potential and valuable skills available within the region. Earlier, the District Mission Management Unit recognized and awarded the livelihood cadres from the self-help groups of Ladthadlaboh and Ladthadlaboh block.
Dan nango kate ka consumer state. Lami kate ko dan MCAM cibon ko dang trade nabar, ko dang import nabar. Yai wani jing MCAM. Ladang yai bam yai di yaki so lami wat yaki do warok giliang. Dan money kate ka consumer state.
Mamto OM kita gi resources ki yang iya prung kita gi bru wan na kiri na gi chlong yang ki gi jngai gi khon gi kiti gi yang ki pemyo I emi ka te ka resources le ni emi kita gi kam gi jam ki wa I wan pu emu pa gi